In this video, I'm going to show you how to design an ebook or book cover step by step. Hi, I'm Nathan from Bookcovermall.com. If you're struggling to design a book cover from scratch, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do to design one yourself. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when designing a book cover is to open Canva and create a new design. Go to canva.com, log in, and click Create a Design. Search for book cover and choose the recommended size. Now that you have your document ready, it's time for step 2. Choose a background. Let's say you're designing an ebook cover about email marketing for your landing page. Click Elements or Photos on the left panel. Search for a background that fits your ebook's theme. You can use a solid color, gradient, or an image that relates to email marketing. Once you've selected a background, it's time to add your title like The Ultimate Guide to Email Marketing. Click Text and select a font style. Type your ebook title in a large, bold font. Keep it clear and readable. Now that you have a title, it's time to add the author name. Click Text again and type your name or brand as the author below the title. Make the font size smaller than the title to maintain a visual hierarchy. And after you've added the author name, adjust colors and fonts. Click on the text to change the font style, size, and color. Use the color picker. Choose colors that contrast well with the background. Keep the font professional and easy to read. And once you've adjusted the colors and fonts, add icons or graphics if necessary. Click Elements and search for relevant icons or illustrations, such as an envelope or email symbol. Place them in a way that complements the design without making it look cluttered. Now that you've added graphics, it's time to fine-tune the layout and spacing. Drag and align elements to keep the design balanced. Adjust spacing to improve clarity. And once you've adjusted the layout, add a subtitle, if needed. If your ebook has a tagline or subtitle, such as Boost Your Open Rates and Grow Your List, add it below the main title using a smaller font. Make sure it doesn't overpower the main text. Now that you've added all the text elements, review and refine. Look over your design for any spelling errors, misalignment, or color issues. Make small tweaks to improve the final look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like the design, drop a comment below. And after you've made final adjustments, it's time for the final step. Download your cover. Click the Share button, then Download. Choose PNG or PDF for high quality. If you plan to print the cover, select PDF Print for the best resolution. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can design an email marketing ebook cover in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.